Hello everyone. Now I'm going to teach about Gauss-Seidel method using the calculator FX991CW. 3 points are very important. First one, setting everything properly. Second one, fixing the equations. Third one, iterations. You should clearly understand what exactly is Gauss-Seidel method and when to use it. If we have simultaneous linear equations, to solve the equations, we are using Gauss-Seidel method. And the equation should be diagonally dominating to use this method. Well, let's begin. Well, we are setting up everything. We are going to calculator setting, reset, initialize all, and we'll go back to the calculator. Again, calculator setting, system setting. In that, we are going to input output. We need it to be displayed in decimal. Again, go to number format. In that, fix the number of decimal places to be 4. It need not be 4, but we generally take it. Well, let's feed the equation. I'm extracting x from first equation. I'm taking fraction. In the numerator, it's 95 minus 11y plus 4z whole divided by 83. As of now, x, y, z will be 0 in the variable set. Just the button execute is all enough to get the value of x. Initially, y and z value will be 0, x will be calculated, and that x value we can go to the variable set and we can store that x value. Next, we need to feed the equation for y. We are extracting y from the second equation. The equation is 104 minus 7x minus 13z whole divided by 52. Now, execute is all enough to calculate the value of y. X will be taken by the stored value, z will be 0. Now again we are going to the variable set and we are storing the y value. Now we are extracting z from third equation and we are feeding it. In the fraction, 71 minus 3x minus 8y whole divided by 29. Now give execute, x and y will be fetched from the stored value and z will be calculated. That value can be stored using the variable set. We can go to the variable, you just can store it. This is the beauty of this calculator. All the equations will be stored and we can see using the upper and down arrow marks. Now we can start the iterations. We need to get x, y, z value and you should know the equations properly. You should not make mistakes there. So as of now, if I just want x value, so I'll go to the x equations. I'll just give execute. The old value will be taken and x will be calculated. That x value, we can store it in the variable set and we can come back to the equations here using up and down arrow marks. Again, y will be calculated with execute button and y will be stored. Z will be calculated with the execute button and Z will be stored. This is how it happens. So in the second iteration, x is equal to 0.9877 and y is equal to 1.4119. Z is equal to 1.9566. Soon after executing the equation, you should store the value for the particular variable. So the iterations will go one by one and when we have to stop, either they mention number of iterations to be 5 or 6 or they mention you are supposed to get the answer correct to 3 decimal places. Meaning all 3 variables should be same up to 3 decimal places. This is how the iterations are carried out and this is how it is done. Well, I hope you understood. Put a comment and tell me which method you want to learn after this. You can ask me if you want to learn from the calculator FX991ES EX also. I'm signing off now. See you in the next video.